The most important thing is actually to take the fabric in a proper size. So, for example, if you see this one, it's pretty big, but it's not big enough. We need that our fabric will be 500 millimeters for 400 millimeters at least. So we will take the proper size fabric. You will see that I have enough place to stretch it out on a tray, and I will show you how. We will take out the frame, put it down, place the fabric on a mounting tray, and place the frame back. So now you will see why I need those leftovers of the fabrics to make it much more stretchable. That is it. The stretchiness, it's very important in terms of Z-start accuracy. So how you stretch it? You take on both sizes the fabric and a bit stretch it one against another. Now you can see that the fabric's placed completely flat on a mounting tray. In order to insert the leftovers of the fabric in a space between the machine and the tray, you will need this plastic tool that you will have in each of the kits. So you take it like this and place it into the space that you have. This is the final result that you should have. The most important things it's actually to be sure that no any leftovers coming out from the space between the machine and the mounting tray.